Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this videos modern, stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. Today we'll see in this videos new all very attractive and stylish modern landscaping decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos. Today we will see these videos modern landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one, top stylish and stylish, you will see unique garden decorations ideas, landscaping ideas, many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. Today you will see in this videos modern pebble stones ideas, wall hanging decoration designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So guys, I might suggest it just keep on watching these videos till the end. Marvelous and stylish and creative, you will see unique landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how's my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new trending garden decorations ideas, landscaping ideas. Lovely viewers, today we will see in these videos new top stylish and trending unique landscaping decor trends in 2025. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos. I have uploaded new top stylish and trending landscaping designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. Very attractive and trending landscaping ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section.